There is a new secret to saving money and getting free stuff in your life every day. It almost sounded too good to be true and too simple. So our investigative team went undercover to check it out. CBS 11's Ginger Allen shows you how much we saved and how you can do it too.
Clipping coupons could soon be a thing of the past. Now, there's an app for this. Saving money can be as easy as swiping your finger or touching a button.
So you won't go anywhere without that?
No, she's my friend.
Lynette Schaffner of Allen never leaves home without her smartphone.
If I'm going to spend money, it's going to be at a discount. So you got the coupons?
Using apps, she saves money on purchases from groceries to electronics, even manicures.
And then I get to try new places and experience new things because they're always at a discount.
Her favorite app is Shopkick.
And there are my points.
Which makes shopping and saving a game. Using GPS, it shows nearby stores with exclusive deals. Users get points just by walking in, checking into a specific section, or even scanning particular products. Get enough points and you get a gift card.
For opening my phone and just walking into a store and letting it give me points that equates to money later on, it's not anything easier to do.
But can you use apps to save money in your everyday life? For 2 days, we went undercover to check out the coupons found on 3 other so-called money-saving apps. On Geo Coupons, we downloaded a buy one, get one half off coupon for lunch at Roma's restaurant in Dallas.
Without that coupon, lunch for 2 would have cost me $4 more.
Now let's go look at shoes.
And found a 15% off deal for Aldo shoes. Using the Coupon Cloud app, we saved money on lunch at Mimi's Cafe in Louisville.
We saved $2.
And got a free candle at Bath & Body Works. At Children's Place, we saved nearly $16 on all of these children's clothes. And with Coupon Sherpa, we loaded almost a dozen digital coupons from the app onto our Kroger card in a matter of seconds.
That's really easy.
I think it's a wave of the future.
Gary Huddleston with Kroger says more consumers are looking for easy ways to save money.
It's much more convenient to download that coupon onto their Plus card, and then when they shop, it's electronically taken right off the bill.
It's just pretty much a few clicks away.
Shopper Cheyenne Rogers says it's better than spending time trying to clip the savings from the paper.
It's more convenient in a lot of ways because you don't have to carry around the paper, cut the coupons out.
But there is a catch with these digital coupons, as Lynette Schaffner found out.
If you're at Tom Thumb or you're at Albertsons and you've uploaded this digital coupon, it's not going to double or triple like their policy says it would.
Nevertheless, in 2 days at 7 locations around DFW, we would have spent close to $275. But with these apps, we saved a total of $50.
And it's not something major that you have to do that's life-changing to make you save money. It's just a little that you have to give to start to save money.
I should point out that the apps we downloaded for this story were all randomly selected, and they were available to us on several different devices, including the iPad, the iPhone, and the Android phone. We were able to download them for free. If you would like to download them now, we'll make it easy for you. Just head to our website, cbsdfw.com, and click on the coupon app link. I'm Ginger Allen, CBS 11 News.